is that the cabinet has been making decisions. The deputy president sitting in cabinet, cabinet memos come before cabinet, they are discussed in cabinet, and then the deputy president moves out of cabinet to contradict those decisions. In proving this, I am relying on the affidavit of Mercy Wanjau. Mercy Wanjau is the secretary to the cabinet. And in our affidavit that is in my bundle of documents, at page 77 to 79, Mercy Wanjau does in oath state that the cabinet made a decision to rejuvenate Nairobi River. And when that decision was made, because the law requires that settlement be 30 meters away from a river, the deputy president was sitting in cabinet. The deputy president is actually the chair of cabinet subcommittees, and I believe he chaired the cabinet subcommittee that made this decision. However, for political expedience, immediately after the decision was made, the deputy president moved out of cabinet and went to the public to oppose the decision. Mr. Speaker, that is inconsistent with the principle of collective responsibility. That is inconsistent with the requirement that once a decision is made, you need to live by that decision. During his televised interview yesterday, the deputy president said that he's the most compassionate person. He cares so much about the poor. This afternoon, honorable members of parliament, I want to ask the following question, and if I may be heard in silence. The deputy president of the Republic of Kenya is on record as being the person who ordered demolitions in Mavoko constituency in Athi River.
Yes, yes.
Yesterday, he gave half-truths to Kenyans, saying he opposed this cabinet decision because it was unconstitutional, because he's very compassionate about Kenyans. Why didn't he also go ahead to say that he's also the one who led demolitions in Mavoko constituency? Are the people of Mavoko constituency lesser citizens of this republic? Or is it because in his own thinking, they are not shareholders of this republic? And therefore, I'll be pleading with honorable members to find that the deputy president has breached the particular articles of the Constitution by being averse to the doctrine of collective responsibility and by contradicting the president and cabinet decisions. Quickly to ground three. Mr. Speaker, ground three.
Tangu mutupatie nafasi ya uongozi, sijapata nafasi ya kuja kusema asante. Nataka kutoka kwa roho yangu ndani, watu ya Kayole, asanteni sana. Mimi najua nimeona iko shida ya watu ambaye walibomolewa, si ndio? Na nimeona mumeandika vizuri ya kwamba mteue kamati ya watu wachache ndio mkuje niketi na nyinyi. Mtakubaliana? Mimi ningetaka wale watu ambaye walipata shida hii ya ubomoaji, ambaye ni kitu tulikuwa tumeahidi wananchi haitafanyika kwa serikali yetu, mimi ningetaka niwasikize na nitapanga na mheshimiwa Meja Dong wakuje ndio tukue na nafasi ya kuongea. Tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana?
Mr. Speaker, that is beyond the affidavit of Mercy Wanjau, which is on record. That is a live video depicting the deputy president contradicting a cabinet decision, a decision which is sat in cabinet in terms of making the decision. I now proceed to ground number 3 because of time.